About this item: after view MUSETEX item description, you will surely buy it, not choose other brands. Because you can't find a better configuration than ours at this price. Reasons: has 6 PWM ARGB fans, computer cases. Best sellers top 10 are all old designs, none of which are as popular as our cases that have side opening door. No need to remove screws, can super easily open inner case to clean radiator and graphics card dust, also easy to put in different dolls. Friends will think your case is cool. 6. Highly configurable PWM ARGB fans pre-installed. 1. Ensure your motherboard has a 3-pin RGB interface and use the motherboard lighting software to control the fans. Each addressable ARGB fan can offer 16.8 million colors of special customizable lighting. 2. Adjustable speed PWM fans allow PC case for better silence and better cooling depending on demand. Also, the fan with new upgraded bearings greatly extends the service life. Easy disassembly operation facilitates PC hardware assembly. Expensive glass side door. Not only is it more stylish than other brands of gaming cases, but it also solves cooling problems much better. Tempered glass side panel with metal pull ring and magnets that can be opened at any time for 76% better cooling than non-side opening mid-tower PC cases. Easily install internal PC components and place any hand puppet you like. Add to the fun, large space ATX mid-tower case, meets the installation needs of over 95% of customers. Plenty of room to easily install the top 280 water drain without touching the memory sticks. Plenty of space for cable management in case, provides multiple HDD mounting slots, large storage capacity, maximum capacity 5 SSD plus 1 HDD/4 SSD plus 2 HDD. Meet the installation needs. The chassis provides a variety of graphics card installation methods. When